Okay, so welcome back to my new video on how to use the math library in Golang. So let's jump right into the IDE. Okay, so I'm already in the IDE. So I'm going to create a new directory, which I'm going to call maths lib. And inside this directory, I'm going to create a new Go file, which I'm going to call main. So now we are inside the main function. So I'm going to start with fmt.println, and then I'm going to call maths.py. Okay. And once I do that, it's going to import all these packages for me, fmt and then maths. Okay. So I'm going to write this value of pi is, I'm going to do another one, which I'm going to call math dot let's say power. So let's raise 5 to the power let's say 2. 5 to the power 2. Okay. I'm going to do another one, which I'm going to call maths dot, let's say, let's find a minimum of 2 numbers. Okay. So let's say 100 and then 25. We want to find a minimum. Mean of 125. Maths dot let's use the cube root of a number. So let's say cube root of 8. Cube root. Okay. So maths dot, what else? Okay, square root. Let's implement the square root of a number. Let's say square root of 100. Square root. Maths dot the log of this one finds the log of okay, so let's find the log of 1. Log of 1. Math dot, let's say the cosine of a number. So let's call it math dot pi divided by 2. Cos fmt print math dot what else can we do? Okay, we can find the log to the base 10 of 100 log 10. Okay. You can also do, I'm just exploring all the math functions. Okay, we can also explore the max. So max of 22 and 26. So I'm just going to call max of 22 and 26. Okay, so that is all for now. You can explore the rest of the math functions. So I'm just going to run this application, and then we see what we got. So let me click on it. So you see, 5 to the power 2 is 25. The minimum of 125 is 25. The cube root of 8 is 2. The square root of 100 is 10. The log of 1 is 0. The cosine of 90 is 0.000. So let me see if I can do this percentage 5f dot 5f and do printf to format it. Let me rerun this. Okay, so let me do a new line and rerun it. Yeah, so as you can see, cos 90 is 0. As we always say, cos 90 is 0. And then log base 10 of 100 is 2. Okay, so it's more or less like log base 10 and then inside the bracket to the power 2, which gives you 2. Okay. Yeah, so, and then the max of 22 and 26 is 26. All right. So that is all I have for you. Go out and then explore more of these functions, math functions. And then if you have any question, please don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section below. And then I'll do as much as possible to respond. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.